because it is a Congress government and because elections are coming. So this is a politics of polarization, blame game, and just to defame Chennai and his government.
पंजाब में वजीर आजम नरेंद्र मोदी की सिक्योरिटी को लेकर खड़े हुए तनाज़ा के मुताल्लिक राज्यसभा के अपोजिशन लीडर मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ने कहा कि बीजेपी इस मामले को लेकर गलत मालूमात फैलाकर आवाम को जज्बाती तौर पर वरगलाने के साथ डेमोक्रेटिकली इलेक्टेड पंजाब गवर्नमेंट को गिराने की कोशिश कर रही है। मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ने वजीर आजम मोदी से कहा कि जब आप स्पेशल प्रोटेक्शन ग्रुप, इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो और दीगर मरकजी एजेंसियों की हिफाजत में रहे तो फिर सिक्योरिटी लैप्स कैसे मुमकिन हुई। इस तरह के बयानात से आप पंजाब के अवाम की तौहीन कर रहे हैं। खड़गे ने कहा कि नरेंद्र मोदी की रैली में लोगों की तादाद तवक्को के मुताबिक 70,000 नहीं बल्कि सिर्फ 700 रही थी, जिसकी वजह से बीजेपी बौखला गई है और पंजाब हुकूमत पर सिक्योरिटी को लेकर बेबुनियाद इल्जामात आयद करने में मसरूफ है।
The one thing is that whatever yesterday incident happened, it is unfortunate. But who is responsible for that? I have already explained to you. It is the responsibility of the state government. They could have taken precautions. The Prime Minister office has got abundant staff, not only in, out, and plus his CBI, his IB, his SPG, and other paraphernalia. State government also told the weather is also not good. You can relook. Then IB people, director IB said, no, everything is okay, we can go. Therefore, a man who wanted to go by helicopter, suddenly he changed his program telling that the weather is not. This was informed earlier itself. But he suddenly changed his route and he wanted to go by road. And as you know, Punjab is very volatile about the farmers' issue. And naturally, when Prime Minister comes from this side, some people might have thought that to give some memorandum or something. He wanted to address our Firozpur, where he wanted to address, there hardly 700 to 800. Then the feedback came from the party and their officers. Sir, people are not there, they are not responding. And empty chairs you have seen, at least part of empty chairs you might have seen, not full. So, after thinking that, he said that it is better way to convey that instead of lack of people there was no proper response from his program. Then he thought better let us go by car. And naturally if farmers or anybody comes, there should be some gadbad. And then he will say that state government is not done enough arrangement. Therefore, I came back. So it is just to put blame on state government. The BJP government is playing this game. Chief ministers. But first time Rahul Gandhi ji put it, a Dalit man, Dr. Chennai, who is MSc PhD. And just to destabilize Punjab government, because it is a Congress government, and because elections are coming, and because if they create such situation, the polarization will be there. So this is a politics of polarization, blame game, and just to defame Chennai and his government. That's why they have done this.
मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ने कहा कि मोदी हमारे वजीर आजम हैं और हम इनका एहतराम ही नहीं बल्कि इनका तहफ़्फ़ुज़ करने के भी पाबंद हैं। ईटीवी भारत के लिए बेंगलोर से रफीक जब्बार की रिपोर्ट।